Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today we are going to discuss about the chapter number 3, Plant Kingdom. In the plant kingdom, the first category is the algae, means the Thallophyta. In the Thallophyta, there is the different types of the algae are present. They are the simple thalloid plant. Thalloid means the plant body is not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. They are the autotrophic, means they can synthesize their own food, and chlorophyll bearing aquatic organism. In the aquatic organism, it includes both the freshwater algae and the marine algae. They also occur in the moist stones, soils and the wood. Some occurs in the association with the fungi so that it is called the lichens, and the animals, for example on the sloth bear. So children, the form and the size of the algae is highly variable. The microscopic unicellular form is the example of the Chlamydomonas, and the colonial form which is found in Volvox, and the filamentous form which is found in Spirogyra and Eulothrix. You can see these types of the algae in this picture. So children, the reproduction is mainly vegetative, asexual and the sexually moved. The vegetative reproduction is done by the fragmentation process. Each fragment develop into a new thallus. A sexual reproduction is carried out by the production of the different types of the spores. These spores are commonly known as the zoospores because they have the flagella, so that they are motile structure and they germinate to give rise the new plant body. And the sexual reproduction is through fusion of the different gametes. So children, the benefits of the algae means there are the economic importance of the algae. Through the photosynthesis process, they fix the half of the total carbon dioxide present on the earth and increase the level of the dissolved oxygen. They also called the primary producer and the basis of the food cycle of all the aquatic animals. So children, about the 70 species of the marine algae are used as the food. For example, Sargassum, Laminaria and Porphyra is used, and the agar is used from the Giladium, and the Gracilaria is also grow the microbes and in the ice cream and the jellies. So some marine brown and the red algae produces the hydrocolloids, means the water holding substances. The algine is present in the brown algae and the carrageen is present in the red algae. These are also used the commercially product. The protein rich unicellular algae like the chlorella, spirulina are used as the food supplement by the space travelers. So children, basically there are three categories of the algae, or we can say there are three classes of the algae. The first class is the chlorophyceae, means all the green algae. Second is the phaeophyceae, means brown algae, and third is the rhodophyceae, means the red algae. The chlorophyceae are the unicellular, colonial or the filamentous green algae, which is usually green due to the presence of the spatial pigment, universal pigment. It is called the chlorophyll A, which is the universal pigment, and along with the universal pigment, chlorophyll B is also present in the chloroplast. The chloroplast may be discoid, plate-like structure, reticulate, cup-shaped, and the spiral or the ribbon-shaped in the different organism. Most of them have one or more pyrenoids. Pyrenoids are the storage bodies which are located in the chloroplast, and it contains the protein beside the starch. Some algae store the food as the oil droplets, and they have the rigid cell wall made of an inner cellulose layer and an outer pectose layer. So this is the diagram of the Chlamydomonas, which you are showing that there are cell wall is present, pyrenoids are the present, mitochondria, and the stigma is also present. Most of them have one or more pyrenoids are located in the chloroplast, and then the stored food as the oil droplets. They have the rigid cell wall made of an inner cellular and the outer pectose layer. The examples are the Volvox, Ulothrix, Pyrogyra, Cara, and the Chlamydomonas. The mainly reproduction is three types: vegetative, asexual, and the sexual reproduction, which is also divided into isogamous, anisogamous, and the oogamous type. And they are mostly marine form. They show the great variation, size, and the form. They range from the simple branched filamentous structure, and they are the profusely branched form. They have the chlorophyll A, chlorophyll C, carotenoids, and the xanthophylls. They vary in the color from the olive green to brown depending on the amount of the xanthophyll pigment, fucoxanthin. So these are called the brown algae or the Phaeophyceae. They stored food as a complex carbohydrate in the form of laminarin and mannitol. The vegetative cells have a cellulosic wall covered by a gelatinous coating of the algine, and also the plant body attached with the substratum by a holdfast and has a stalk. Examples of the Phaeophyceae are the Ectocarpus, Fucus, Laminaria, Dictyota, and Sargassum. The reproduction is mainly of vegetative, asexual, and the sexual means. The third category of the algae is the Rhodophyceae, which is red thalite due to the presence of the pigment R. phycoerythrin. Majority of the marines, especially in the warm areas, they occurs both well lighted regions close to the surface of the water and at a great depth in the oceans where the relatively little light penetrates. So the food is stored as a fluoridine starch, which is structurally very similar to the amylopectin and the glycogens, and the complex body organization is also present because these are the multicellular filamentous algae. And the examples of the Rhodophyceae is the Polysiphonia, Gelidium, Gracilaria, and Porphyra. And the reproduction is also three types: vegetative by fragmentation, asexual by the motile spores, non-motile spores, and the sexual reproduction by oogamous type. By the non-motile gametes, it has the complex post-fertilization development. So children, this is the comparison between the Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae, and the Rhodophyceae. After that, we will start the bryophytes. So hope children this topic is clear. Any query you can write in query box. Thank you children.